Cardano finally seems to be alive again. It's the 10th ranked cryptocurrency in terms of market cap, and we're starting to finally see some movement on it, which is great because it's been pretty much 6 months or so since we've seen any movement. We haven't seen it be this high in price since about April of 2024, so it's nice to finally see it get some momentum. Cardano has a total supply of 45 billion coins, and there's 35 billion in circulation right now, which leaves roughly about 10 billion, a little less than 10 billion to go. It's a very high volume coin, unfortunately, which kind of makes it one of my less favorite in terms of the actual project itself, just with the amount of supply. But nonetheless, it has a very strong team and strong fundamentals behind it. Currently, Cardano is about 71 cents. So if we were to take $1,000 and put it into Cardano, we would get about 1,400 Cardano tokens in return. If we took those 1,400 Cardano tokens and we multiplied that by its all-time high, which is about $3.09, that $1,000 would return us about $4,326, or about $3,300 in profit, which isn't bad considering the initial investment. As well, keep in mind this is a very good return considering the size that it is in the market cap. It's ranked number 10. So it's got a lot of eyes on it. If it was a smaller project and it was down in the 70s or 80s, or not even ranked in the top 100, it would more than likely issue a lot higher return. Looking at the Cardano chart, here we are on the daily time frame. We've seen a bunch of substantial moves in the last couple of days, which is awesome to see. I've had this support resistance zone marked out for some time. As you can see, looking at previous history, it's become a support, a little bit of a resistance zone in these areas, and then again respected as support. We finally broke through here, and we had a strong push to the downside for several months since April of 2024. So we've had this downward trend line, which has also respected our EMAs. If you're looking to trade using these EMAs, it's a very, very simple method of trading. I do have a members area, and it is extremely cheap. So you can definitely go and join that members area. I will show you the exact strategy I use that provides me a 80% win ratio while I'm trading. So go ahead and check the link in the description. You'll see that down there, as well as in that link, there is a free trading checklist that I use before I enter every single trade. So go ahead and take advantage of it. It is completely free. I don't charge a dime, and it will give you a lot of clarity when you are about to enter into a position. Back to the trade idea is that we have this downwards trend line that we finally broke. It didn't even come back to retest it, so it might have to do that at some point, although it's looking less and less likely because price has just rallied up so high. We eventually broke this old support that I had, this old support that acted as resistance and then became support once again. So it respected it as well as respecting our moving average before ultimately continuing higher. We came back up to test old highs before we reacted, and now we are on our way back down, and who knows where this is going to end up. I do have a theory that we'll end up in this gray zone. That is a very strong support and resistance zone with a lot of imbalances that liquidity will probably have to get to taking out this low. If I were to grab my Fibonacci tool, as I trade with that most of the time, I would run from the body low to these body highs over here. I run from body to body, and we can see that our golden zone is down beneath that support. So I'm really at awe as to where price is going to come. If we do come down into this area, this 62 zone to this 79 zone, I will absolutely be entering a position in a long. And our final target would be way up here. We would just monitor it until we break these old highs. These are my thoughts on Cardano. Again, it's been so long since we've seen any real movement on it. I know it's probably going to be a while before price stabilizes and we see some consistent price action where we can follow our trading plan. But again, this is a very high-ranking crypto based off the market cap. It is ranked number 10. It's a long-term project and has been around for many years with a great team behind it. So we are very bullish on this project. I only see great things coming from this point on. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you a bit of clarity when it comes to trading this pair. Again, if you do like this video, please be supportive of the channel, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.